Hello and welcome to the VPN Quick Setup course. We are living in the connected world, and the fact is that almost all our personal as well as official informations that we exchange through internet, through platforms like social media, websites, etc. are completely traceable. And because of this sheer amount of data that we exchange through internet, our online privacy should be the topmost priority. Organizations, governments, people, internet providers, they are all trying to get hold of your information to sell them or to use them for marketing and other unwanted purposes. They are trying to monitor you each and every second. In this course, we will try to set up our own VPN server which can help us making our internet traffic safe and secure. Let's have a quick overview about the contents that are included in this course. The first session is a theory session in which we will have a quick overview about the VPN technology, the principle of working behind a VPN network, the applications of VPN, the do's and don'ts that you have to follow while using a VPN network, etc. In the next session, we will set up a pre-configured OpenVPN instance in Amazon Web Service Cloud Platform. We will see how we can start an Amazon account, an AWS account, and a virtual server using the 1-year free tier offer provided by Amazon Web Service. Then we will configure the ports and all other options required for our server. And in the third session, we will use an SSH client application to connect to our VPN server. We will use the private key from Amazon Web Service to access the server via the command line interface. And in the next session, we will configure the DNS server address of our OpenVPN server, and then we will also create 2 test user accounts in our VPN server for testing our server. And now our VPN server setup is complete. In the next session, in the 5th session, we will try to connect to our VPN server using a Windows PC. Once connection is established, we will verify the connection by checking the changed IP address and location. And after that, we will try to connect to our VPN server using a Linux computer, an Ubuntu Linux computer. Here also we will verify the connection by checking the changed IP address and location. And in the coming session, we will try to connect to our VPN using a Mac computer. We will verify the connection by checking the same checking that we did in the previous session using the IP address and the location. And once done with the computers, we will proceed with the leading mobile platforms. First, we will connect with an Android mobile phone. Then we will verify the connection. And then we will go ahead with connecting using an iPhone, and then we will also verify the VPN connect. And even though our connection with VPN is encrypted, there is a sophisticated firewall or monitoring technology called DPI or Deep Packet Inspection, which can block our VPN access. And in a quick session, we will see how we can try to avoid the DPI monitoring or DPI firewall using a simple technique called port forwarding. And in the final session, we will discuss some tips and tricks by which we can save the VPN server resources and thereby save the server expenses that we can keep to a very bare minimum value. And overall, this course will enable you to set up a quick VPN network. We are not going much deep into the protocol level working of VPN, etc., but this is a very practical setup of a safe and secure VPN network in a matter of few minutes. You will also be provided with an experience certificate once you complete the course. So best wishes in setting up your own private VPN server. Let's safeguard our privacy online. See you soon in the classroom. Have a great time. Bye bye.